In today's video, I'm going to show how you can update your YouTube banner using Final Cut Pro instead of a software like Photoshop. Here's a template you want to download. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can get it. But up here, you're able to see 2550 by 1440. So what you want to do is go File, New Project. I'll just call this YouTube Banner. Click on the video format, go to Custom. And now you just want to switch the resolution over to those numbers. So 2550 by 1440. And the frame rate and stuff, it doesn't really matter. I'll leave that there. Click OK. And now you can drag the YouTube banner over. So essentially, this is your layout for your banner. And so as you're able to see, this spot right here is desktop and mobile. So what you see over here is what you'll be able to see on your computer and your phone. And this is usually all I really focus on too much. I kind of just have a color around the rest of it. So I'll go over to title. I'll go over to backgrounds. And so you can find just a lot of backgrounds already like made inside of Final Cut and get a cool design. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Okay, let's try something else. So you can come over here and go ahead and get a cool background. I think this looks pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to turn the opacity down so I can see the safe zone for desktop and mobile. Now I want to just keep this pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and just search for basic title. And essentially I'm just going to add what my channel is about right here. I'm going to find a font that I like. Now my channel is basically about video editing. So I'm just going to place this right here. Come over to the face and change the color. And then what you want to do is make sure that what you end up using works with the background. And you can do something like add a drop shadow. And now we turn back on the background, and I'm hitting V to toggle on and off the background. So now go into Google. Now my channel mainly focuses on Final Cut Pro, so I want to add a Final Cut Pro logo. So by searching Final Cut Pro PNG, click on the picture, and now you can see the background removes, but over here it does not show that on the background. Whereas this picture right here shows it in the background, so it would not work because that is the full picture. But if there's just a blank background like this and then this pops up, that means once you download it, it'll automatically have the background removed. So I'm going to click on this right here to zoom in. It's a little bit too much. Now I want to add the logo below. Another program that I'm going to start doing tutorials on is called Motion, which is also from Apple, and it's kind of like After Effects, but for Apple and Final Cut Pro. So I'll just type Motion. Okay, let's try Apple Motion PNG. So right here, I was able to click it, right click, save image to downloads. I can move this into here, scale it down. Go ahead and try to get this just close to the same size. There we go. So this is a pretty simple banner. I just thought I should go ahead and update my current banner, and this is what it looks like. So now I go File, Share, Save Current Frame, and if you don't have Save Current Frame, you click Add Destination. And then right over here, Save Current Frame, you just drag it over here and let go, and it adds it over there. Save Current Frame, YouTube Banner, next. Go save to your desktop, and save. And now this is where you can go test it. So you go over to YouTube, click on Customization, and so right here, here's my old one. Click on Change, click on YouTube Banner, and this is where you're able to see the preview. This is what it looks like on desktop, on devices, on TV. So you just got the full background. Cool, I like it. So click Done and hit Publish. Now we click on View Channel. You now have it updated. I hope it was helpful. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.